Before you agree to be a cosigner, here's what you need to know. The main reason why a borrower would need a cosigner is they may not have enough income to qualify to purchase the house. They might have a little bit too much debt. Therefore, they don't qualify to purchase a home by themselves. If you have a cosigner, we're able to use the cosigner's income to help qualify for the home. Now, a cosigner is someone who is willing to accept financial responsibility should the primary borrower miss a mortgage payment or default on the loan. Being a cosigner is like being a godmother. Should something happen to the primary borrower, the godmother becomes the official guardian of the house, taking full ownership and assuming all responsibilities of the home. Now, signing onto a mortgage is no small feat, so it is important there is a mutual trust between the borrower and the cosigner. Typically, a cosigner will be a spouse or a family member, and they will be required to have their credit checked. We're going to look at your income, debt to income ratio, and make sure that they qualify together. As you can see, being a cosigner is an essential piece of the homeowner puzzle, and my team is here to make sure that all the pieces fit. Thanks for watching today's video. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more mortgage content. We're the Mortgage Firm Tampa, a local lender serving clients like you.